Born on the 14th of December 1941, Sri Rustam Karwa was obsessed with music since childhood. His tryst with the harmonica began at a tender age when he was inspired by one of his friends at the J.N. Petit High School, Pune. Sri Rustam Karwa later moved to Bombay, where he met his guru and mentor, Sri Behram Ji Irani, under whose tutelage he learned to read and write music and also learned to play the harmonica. His first public performance was at the Albles Bog at Bombay, where he performed with his guru, which received a standing ovation. Along with playing the harmonica, Sri Rustam Karwa is also a professional whistler. While working for the Central Bank of India, Sri Rustam got an opportunity to record both harmonica and whistling for films and has worked with various well-known composers like Lakshmikant Pyarelal, Viju Shah, Usha Khanna, and so on. In films like Iman aur Dharam, Ek Duje Ke Liye, Chaliya Babu, Pyar Ishq aur Mohabbat, Gupt, Saudagar, Vishwatma, to name a few. Sri Rustam Karwa performed Western classical harmonica for the All India Radio for 2 decades, from 1965 to 1985. He also represented the Central Bank of India in All India Bank music competitions and won the first prize for 10 consecutive years. Won the first prize for 10 consecutive years in the Western Classical Instrumental Music category. In 2017, Sri Rustam Karwa was honored with the Milan Gupta Award for Excellence in Harmonica Playing, instituted by the Surabhi Music Academy at Pune. He was also honored with the Lifetime Achievement Award by the MOM, Mouth Organists of Mumbai, and Music 18 Club in 2018. Sri Rustam Karwa is currently occupied with teaching the music theory, harmonica, guitar, and keyboard to aspiring students. He is a great asset to the Indian harmonica fraternity and continues to inspire many harmonica players across the country. Hamsanad Foundation is honored to present Sri Rustam Karwa with the Ragamalika Award 2024 for his contribution to Indian harmonica.
ಅವರ ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಸಾಕ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಆಲೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾರ್ಮೋನಿಕಾದ ಮಾಂತ್ರಿಕತೆಯನ್ನು ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟ ಕೆಲವೇ ಮೊದಲಿಗರಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀ ರುಸ್ತುಂ ಕಾರ್ವಾಜಿ ಕೂಡ ಒಬ್ಬರು. ಆಗಲೇ ಆ ಮಗು ಅಪೂರ್ವ ಹೇಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಇವರ ಸಾಧನೆಯ ಪಟ್ಟಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದು. ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ ಅಥವಾ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಸಂಗೀತ, ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಾಧುರ್ಯವನ್ನು ತಂದುಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಇವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.